Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. You need to add your first name. I already typed it to save your time. Minute. Also, right. I'm going to this one as well. Also, right. Let's check, is that username available? Yes, it is available, fortunately. Right. Now we have to select strong password. How we can do that? Right. I'll give you a tip. You can go to this one, passwordgenerator.net, and you can click, and you can add these things: symbols, characters, capitalized letters. That is you can create a strong password using this website. But we need to do another one. Don't put this exact password. It is not good for your security. You click generate password and generate another one. Right. Copy a password. Sorry. You can paste here. Right, now you came to the phone verification section. To do that, I recommend you to do this because second step verification always protect your account. That's why Google recommended you. So now I'm going to do that. I'm going to add my phone number. After you successfully entered your phone number, Google will send you a verification code. You have to add that code to this line. Now it's verified. Right, if you have any existing Gmail account, you can add it to here, because if any kind of login problem if you occurred, then you can add that recovery email address and you can get the details to recover this mail. Right, you have to add your date of birth and gender. Sorry. Right, you can click next and yes, I am in, and read this agreement and privacy and terms, and you can click I agree. Now this option is Google will synchronize all the data, your browsing history, your passwords, as say like this, bookmarks, everything. Personally, I'm using this facility. This is amazing facility. If your data lost accidentally, some kind of CPU error, whatever thing, you can use your email account and your login credentials. You can restore your old history data, that means bookmarks, passwords, and other essential things. You will get instantly to your Chrome browser. That is amazing facility. So therefore, I'm using these things. I recommend to use these thing as well. Yes, I mean. Right, you can select whatever the theme you like. I'm keep here. See, now Gmail account is ready to use. There are other valuable services are provided providing by the Google, with that mean Google Drive, Google Slides, Google Sheets. There are a lot of stuff. I will teach you how to do these things as well. Okay, today now, I think you learn something about the Google and the creating Gmail, that kind of stuff. If you learn something, please support me to grow up my channel. Please give me a like and please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.